Alright guys, so this is the Motorola Razr 24 Flip. Here's the front screen. I've got this little screen guy there. And this is what the phone looks like. Let me bring y'all back some because this is a pretty big phone, okay? Pretty big phone. And I have a case on the phone, but this phone comes with like one part of it, a hard rubber shell smooth case. You do not need a screen protector on this phone. They tell you not to put a screen protector on this phone. It already has a screen protector. I did put a screen protector on this side. It looks really weird though. Amazon did say this screen protector was for this phone, but I doubt it, okay? Very quiet. Very quiet. No squeaking when opening and closing. I just want to be like, you said what? No. I just want to be like, who is this? I owe you what? No, we're not doing that, okay? There you go. So I just want to be able to flip and close the phone. So as you can see, opening and closing it is nice. You will get a crease there. I did not get the insurance on this phone, so hopefully it lasts me a while. There's some hinges here, but whatever, hopefully. I would have preferred the Samsung, but it was a little bit more. So this is the Razr 2024. You don't need much muscle to open it. On the outer display, you can set it up where you can open and see all your apps from here, okay? You can do everything from the front of this phone. You do not really have to open the phone. So if even though the flip is the reason I got it, you can actually do everything, including recording, taking pictures, answering messages. You can scroll Facebook and Instagram from the front screen of this phone. You determine what apps you want to put on the front screen, okay? And there's a way that you do that. But yeah, you determine which apps you want to put on the front screen. You can answer your messages. You can be recording somebody and they don't even know it, like in the store. Both of your cameras are right there on the front. You can take off apps you don't want on the front screen, and you can put apps that you do want on the front screen, okay? There is the dial pad. I can also call somebody like right from this phone, look at my calendar, look at the weather, right from this screen. I don't have to open the phone. So you don't have to worry too much about, everybody was talking about the crease and all of that. You're going to get a crease. It's a flip phone. All right. Y'all know I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So, it is a very slender phone compared to the 16 Pro Max. It's longer. Let me show y'all. The Razr is longer and it's actually more slender. Okay. But you still have a good screen, a great screen. You can scroll through the screen, scroll through everything. I'm still trying to figure out how to work Androids, but there we go. There are all the apps on the screen, and you don't have no problem scrolling through the screen. I don't have a lot of apps on here yet. Here's the news and the weather because I just got it. So this is mainly, I'm going to use this phone as my YouTube phone. So we're going to see how it does with really just recording and everything like that. One thing I do like in the camera mode, if you fold the phone, it turns into a camcorder. Y'all see how I have the phone folded? And you can use this side to make the screen. Y'all see how it's going in 7, 8. See how big I'm making it? 9. You can zoom in and I can zoom out just with my fingers. Now that's neat. That is definitely neat. I can zoom in. Oh, zoomed in too much. And I can zoom out. So you can actually walk in a store and hold this phone like a camcorder and record. It's recording right now. You see it counting down and recording. Absolutely love this. The battery life, it has been good on this so far. I don't charge this for 2 or 3 days and it still has juice, but that could be because I'm not using it. I'm using it as my regular phone. It charges pretty fast. I just showed you guys the camera. I'm going to be using this for YouTube videos, so you guys are definitely going to be able to see how the camera is, how clear the camera is. Here's my nails. Breast Cancer Month. Does pretty good so far. I have recorded a couple of videos for y'all on here. You only get 2 times the zoom versus the iPhone 16 Pro Max. You get 5 times the zoom, but it's gonna get the job done for the sake of recording videos. Okay. It's supposed to be water resistant. 8 pixel candle. Camera. I'm not going to dump this in no water. I wouldn't submerge it in water, but it's supposed to be water resistant. It also has, just like Apple. Oh, I'm trying to use it like it's an iPhone. Child. Hold on. Just like Apple, I can charge it. I can do the charging pad. I do have a charging pad at work to keep so much cords from being on my desk. You can use it like a charging pad. But other than that, it's just your regular everyday applications and phones. I just had to flip, y'all. I just had to do a flip. Apple was taking too long, you know. And so let's go to YouTube. I mean, you download all your apps. You do all of that stuff that you normally do, you know. Here's YouTube. Everything looks great. Everything is big. You can watch videos. It's supposed to be a really good phone for playing games too as well, because it's so long and because it's so big. But other than that, it gets the job done. It has dual speakers. I can hear everything out of it very well. It is a weird switch if you're going to switch to the Android. It's not going to cost you as much as Apple to switch, but it does take some getting used to. I have personally always had Androids and iPhones, so it's not a weird switch for me. But if you haven't, it's a real weird switch, but it is fun. That's what I say. It is fun. This flip phone, you can change these to all kinds of stuff. Of course, moving wallpapers will drain your battery. So I have him, but I don't have the one that's constantly moving because I don't want it to drain my battery. It's a fun switch. That's what I would say. It is a fun switch. This is the Motorola Razr Plus, the 2024. My first impressions of it, I've had it for a few weeks. I absolutely love it. I wish I could have gotten a color one, but I actually just went ahead and bought this outright, so I didn't get any colors. I was super sad about that from where I bought it from. But they do come in pink and other colors. So the next time I get one, or the next time I upgrade, I'm going to try to at least get a color. I'm going to get a better case, like a colorful case. I just wanted to have a case on it when it came. But there are all kinds of beautiful, pretty cases for this phone on Shein and on Amazon. So y'all know your girl got a case coming, right? Right. So absolutely love this phone. I really do. I absolutely love this phone. And if I didn't have an iPhone and Apple didn't come out with a flip, I would have had to switch. But I would have gotten the Samsung flip phone, just for the name of Samsung. This is the Motorola. Nothing against it. I love it. It has been working perfectly fine. I'm using it for YouTube. It takes good videos. It takes good pictures. Holding up very well. So we'll see how things go. Maybe I'll do an update in about 6 months or so on how the phone is holding up and if I've had any issues. I heard the 2023 was making a sound when you open it, but as I showed y'all before, the 2024, it does not make any sounds. And let me show y'all, the plug goes there, the speakers is there. It opens quietly, it closes quietly. It's a beautiful phone, y'all. It is a beautiful phone, and I just enjoy playing with it. I just play with this phone. I actually love playing with this phone. So any questions, if I missed anything, put it down below. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be using to record my YouTube videos. So we'll see how she holds up.